everyone, and welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, your #1 shop for crowdfunded innovative tech products. Today we are going to do a unboxing of the Slide and Slide Lite, two very cool innovative camera straps from Peak Design. I use them myself and I think they're really awesome. So let's do the unboxing of the Slide Lite. First, you just see this nice little box, shows you what's inside, gives you a couple ways that you can use it, and opens up, and there you see the product already. Again, some more information on how it can be used. It's really cool. So let's get into it. Knife. So just pulling this tab, and out comes the packaging, and okay, so there's the slide on this side, and on the back it gives you a little bit more information and tells you more about the product and how you can carry it. So the strap is really handy because it has all these extra little features that other normal straps don't have. The best part of it, I think, one of the best parts anyway, are these removable clips. These adjustable straps, or camera clip, I don't know what they call them. Yeah, clips. Anchor clips, that's what they call them. As you can see here. So basically it's a little tag like this, and you just simply loop this side onto the side of your camera, and you loop this plastic part through, attach that onto the sides of your camera, and then with this clip, when you want to take your camera strap on or off, very simply, you just go like this, push, and it's on. It's pretty awesome. So that's one feature. You'll see the Slide Lite is a little bit slimmer than the Slide itself. Packaging has this nice little grip area here, so it doesn't slide off your shoulder when you're using it. And also the clips is another great feature of this strap. It has this great, easy to move up and down grasp that you can use to go move it up and down. When you clip it down, it's super secure. So it's a clip that you just slide up and down. When you have it where you want, just slap it down. Really nice engineering, really precise, great quality. I love this clip, honestly. I love the strap. It's awesome. So I'll just show you the one that I have on my camera. Here's my camera. I don't have the lens because it's over there. But as you can see, I have the two anchors here on the side. There's also in this little pouch all of these other accessories. So you have some more anchor locks. And it tells you here that you should replace it if the inner red core becomes visible. So basically if you wear it out to the point where you can see some red string, then you should replace them. All right, and this is the plate that you can put at the bottom of your camera. This is really cool. Screw this on. Now you can attach the anchor to this plate if you'd like to. You actually can also layer an anchor underneath it if you'd like. What I use this for is when I have a flash on and I'm at events, then I can put one strap here. I have too many anchor straps. Clip this one in here on the side, like so, and clip this one to the bottom, like this. And okay, this looks weird because it has no lens on it, but then when you have a flash on, you're carrying it to the side, and your flash doesn't hit you, and it's not in the way. It's really comfortable to carry around when you have a flash. Again, super simple to take on and off, like this. Boom. You hear a little click, and you're on the side. So now you have it on the side if you like. Like I said, it rotates because you have the little strings to move it up and down. Let's see if I can show this properly. I might not. Just slide up, super easy. Slide down. Yeah, that's the Slide Lite. I'll show you the Slide, which is just a little bit thicker, has a little bit more weight to it. It can carry slightly stronger, bigger DSLRs, heavier ones, but basically the same. Yep, has the grip, also the easy to move straps. Honestly, a great product. I use one. I think it's amazing. I highly recommend it for any photographer out there, for smaller photographers, larger photographers, whatever you might be taking pictures for. This is the Slide and the Slide Lite from Peak Design. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know if you have one, if you supported them on Kickstarter. Great brand, high quality. My name is Natalie from Wiplabs.com. Hope to see you on the store soon.